Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings, then this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.